Before this, we learned expression du temps, expression of time. Now, we are going to learn expression de la cause, the expression of cause. So, when we want to explain the cause of something, why it happened, we use the word because. In French, the word for because is parce que, parce que. And you can also write it as a cause de plus whatever is your cause. A cause de means because of plus norm is the reason. So, I have shown you an example here. Here there is a question. Pourquoi es-tu en retard? It means why are you late? So, why are you late? And it is a question. It is a why question. So, we are going to give them an explanation, the cause. So, here we use because, parce que, because j'ai raté le train, because I had missed the train. This is an example of how we use the word because, parce que. We can use this in sentences. So, what does this mean? It means because, and when do we use it? When we want to explain, expression of the cause. We are going to explain the cause of something. That time we use the word parce que.